Welcome back to the channel called CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we're looking at part 2 of 2 videos looking at the drawing of the intersection of a cylinder and cone drawing. We thank you for joining us today and we hope to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online. We'll be starting the lecture now. All right, so here we have between A and B divided into 3 equal parts, all right? So what we're going to do now, we're going to draw circles from this center going through this point. So let's go now. Center, radius there. Yeah, good. We're going to do the same thing again. Center, radius there. All right, so there we have 2 discs. We're going to cut 2 discs. Can you guess what we're going to do next? We're gonna do the same thing that we did before. We're gonna project the disc up to the front elevation, get the disc representing on the horizontal in the front elevation, and then plot the points. All right, let me show you. All right, so I'm gonna center the drawing so you can see that a little bit clearer. All right, we don't need to see the top right now, okay? So I'm gonna zoom, all right? All right, so what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna center the drawing so you can see. All right, so I'm gonna draw a line up there. Let's turn on this. Enter. Since we're just gonna follow through, so we're gonna draw the horizontal disc here. Good. Right. I'm gonna trim. We wanna keep our drawings clean. As I said, if you're using a traditional T-square, or set square, pencil, French curve erasers, you would just leave the line, because that would be a 4H construction line, right? But you know, AutoCAD want to keep it clean, so I trim it. But you could let it stay, but the drawing looks neater. All right, so having drawn this there now, look what I did. Can you guess what's the next step? What we did, where did circle, did these two intersect the front face? Remember, we are looking to see the front, you know. We are looking this way. We're looking this way. There, 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 enter. So we are looking this way. So what we're doing, we're going to look at it. Where the second circle. All right, so we're going to plot it. So where the second disc, this one, intersect this line, you're going to project a line going up. Okay? So we go here at the intersection, which is right here. Can you see? Right here. Good. We're going to draw a vertical construction line to to locate to intersect the disc in the front elevation. All right. So look now. Its disc is here. Isn't that so? Yes. There. Enter. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So where the disc intersect the square, we're gonna draw a line. So we go here, there, right there. Enter. Good. All right. The next one is 1. Right. So we're gonna do the same thing. Where this disc intersect the prism, the edge of the prism, we're gonna draw a line up right here. All right. So we're gonna go now. Line intersection going up, pan, we're gonna pan, going up. Where's the second disc? I didn't draw it up as it, so I'm gonna just put it here for the time. Enter. I'm gonna do the next side. So what I'm gonna do is project up the second disc, which is this number 1 right here, right? So look now. I projected this one, right? I need to project the line going up here. So let's do that now. Line here. Gonna go up. Look, I'm gonna go up to the side of the cone to get the disk, which is there. Enter. We're gonna draw a horizontal line to represent the disk in the front elevation. Enter. We're gonna trim to let our drawings look neat and sharp. As I said, if we was using the traditional instruments, which would comprise of a T-square, two set squares, the 45-degree and the 360 set square, compass and pencils and French curve, you would let it stay, all right? But for our AutoCAD, I want to keep it neat. All right, so that line coming up, where this line intersect this line, that will be the next point, right? We're going to do the same thing on the next side. All right. So if you are following along, where the second disk intersect, right? So where the second disk, it is this one, intersect the first face of the prism in the front elevation, I'm gonna draw a line from this intersection going up. All right. All right, so you got line there going up. And it will be right here, okay? Enter. All right. So this little line here can be trimmed out. What happened? We didn't draw the disk before projected up, projected it up, right? What happened a while ago? Right. So we're gonna trim this little part. Right. Enter. All right. So what we're gonna do now? We're gonna plot the points. All right. So we're gonna go spline and look at the points now. Look at the points. Can you picture the points? Can you picture the points? Where the points are? You picture it and then I'm gonna draw it. All right. So after three, I'm gonna draw it. One, two, three. All right. So we go spline. So this is the first point there, there. That's the second disc. This is the smallest disc coming down, down, there, there. Enter. Right? So this is a line of intersection that is formed when a vertical prism meets a right cone. All right? What we're going to do now is darken our drawing and put in our um, line of intersection. All right? So let me darken it up now for you. So I'm going to come down here now, outline. And we're gonna draw this spline first, but it doesn't matter which one you draw first. So we go there, 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 there. Good. All right, so we're gonna draw the line now. Watch now. There, there. So if you're using a traditional T-square, Z-square instruments, this will be your dark pencil. All right. All right. So we're gonna go again. Here, there, there, there. Enter. I'm gonna darken the plan now. Can you guess what we will darken in the plan? It would be with the circle. And there's another way to darken it, right? I'll show you in another video, okay? Yeah, this is just one way. This would be we're doing it like the traditional T-square, Z-square, okay? All right, so we have there, 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 there. Enter, right? So here we have the construction. This is the finish, darkened object. All right, we can actually remove this. Let us move it, right? Because we want to label our, or we can just delete it. All right, let's just delete. So just an explanation, right? All right, so what I did, I gave I've made some space between the front elevation and plan so I can label it, okay? The reason why I drew it close is because I'm on a laptop, so I don't have such a big screen and the size is 15.6 inches in diagonal. So it's a relatively small screen. So when you're doing AutoCAD, you normally draw on a large screen, all right? So you don't normally draw on, so that is what happened because I had a small screen. I put it close. So I've finished drawing the drawings and you have seen the principle. So I just space it so I can label the front elevation. So I'm gonna label the front elevation. All right. So I'm gonna come here, there. Uh, the height we're gonna make it 4. All right, that's too small. So we're gonna go again. There. Gonna make it 8. Right. So this is better now. So this is the front. It's a little bit too small, and I will go again. There. I'm gonna make it 10. All right, so this is the front elevation, right? Gonna label this one plan. Right, so the drawing is finished now. The drawing is finished, yes. All right, so one more thing we're gonna add on the drawing is the center line because the object is symmetrical. So we're gonna come here, there, the osh. I'm gonna undo that. All right. All right, so we'll go again. Line, there. I'm gonna draw it again. Center line. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna draw it over this. Yes, I'm gonna draw it over this. All right. So, but you're not gonna see it. So I'm gonna all right, let us see. All right, so we're going to draw our line here. All right, gonna come again. All right. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna delete this line, delete that line, delete that line. All right, so we'll go again. So, all right, so we're gonna go line. All right. So here now we have our drawing that is needed. We have the line of intersection, which is this, right? We have the front elevation. Oh, there's one more thing that we need to add to the drawing. Let us add. All right, so this line will be a hidden detail line, okay? Right? Can you see that? Right, so that line will be a hidden detail line. Okay, so here is our complete drawing. We have the front elevation, the line of intersection, which is this arc, right? Here our hidden detail lines to represent the cone. Here we have the plan representing the cone and the prism. Okay, I've moved the dimensions 120 millimeters outside of the drawing. So please make note of that correction. All right. This brings us to the end of today's video of a two-part series of videos covering how do we draw the intersection of a cylinder and cone drawing. We thank you for joining us. And in the next video, we'll be looking at building drawing. So we're looking forward to having you. Have a great day until we meet again. And we hope to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online. Take care until we meet again. Bye. Thanks for watching the video. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.